Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and thanks for joining me. Today we share with you a fun DIY for American Girl's new Jenny's Splendid Ice Cream collection. See how to recycle household items to make cute ice cream tubs with removable triple scoops in both blackout chocolate cake and buttercream birthday cake flavors. We also show you how to make a Jenny's style tote bag, perfect for play and for packing up all your DIY ice cream pieces. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new DIY. Our dolls are keen for ice cream, so let's get making! For our ice cream tub, we recycled the clear plastic cap that came from a hair mousse bottle. It measures 4 centimeters tall with a 3.5 centimeter diameter. Paint the container white. For a lid, we took the cap from an empty 3-liter milk bottle. We sourced images for labels for 2 flavors of Jenny's ice cream. You can find the printable in the description box below. Simply print onto computer paper, cut out, then adhere the label to your tub with glue stick. Do the same with the circular label for the lid. These ice cream tubs are so easy to make and are a great addition to the dollhouse freezer or as inventory for our recent DIY American Girl grocery store. But let's go a step further and make delicious triple scoops of ice cream. Trace the opening of your cap onto scratch paper, then slip it inside a clear plastic pocket. Now get some cotton balls. Tease one cotton ball open so that it fills the circumference of the circle you traced. Dip it generously in liquid glue, then place it back on the template as your base. Take another cotton ball and coat it all over in liquid glue. Using your fingers, coax it into a ball, ensuring the stray cotton fibers are tucked under the bottom. Place the scoop onto your base slightly left of center. Make another to sit on the right side. Then pop a third ball on top. Give them time to dry before painting the color of your choice. Here we used Reeves Titanium White for vanilla and Burnt Sienna for chocolate flavor. Gently peel the cotton ball cluster from your plastic pocket to paint the underside. To add the fun confetti topping, we used a brad punch to make small discs from colored cardstock. Simply add more liquid glue to your vanilla ice cream scoops, then place the paper dots all over in a random color pattern. Now set aside overnight to completely dry and harden. Our ice cream piece pops perfectly into the tub to look like a full batch. The scoop can also be reversed to sit on top of the container since the cotton balls have dried hard and hold their shape nicely. We also checked and our triple scoop fits perfectly inside an American Girl bowl. Using this simple method, you can make as many ice cream flavors as you like, giving your dolls lots and lots to enjoy. Now let's craft a simple version of Jenny's tote bag. For this, we used regular fun foam in white and a self-adhesive variety in orange. We offer a simple template for this shaped tote bag. Just click the printable link. Trace and cut 2 body pieces, 1 long strip and 1 short strip. You also need to cut 2 body shapes from your orange fun foam, then reduce the inner border to 0.5 centimeter to make frames. On the front of the bag, we sketched the Jenny logo in pencil, then went over it with an orange permanent marker. Next, cut 2 orange strips for the handles. Measure up 1.5 centimeters from each end, then make diagonal slits, being careful not to cut all the way through the fun foam. Remove the backing paper and fold over the fun foam, sticking it to itself in the areas between your cuts. Bend the fun foam and you have the desired handle shape. Remove the remaining backing paper to attach the handles to the bag front. Now add your orange frame piece, sticking it over the handle and aligning with the edge of your white fun foam. Do the same for the back of the bag. Before attaching the long strip to the inside of the back panel, you need to cut a slit through the middle. This will be the opening of the bag. It helped to use a precision-tipped gun for this step, as you can better control the amount of glue released per squeeze of the trigger. Now adhere the front piece to close up your bag. To reinforce the base, take your shorter strip and wrap it around the bottom and up the sides, stopping just below the slit. Great! The tote bag easily fits 2 ice cream tubs with some extra room at the top for bowls and spoons. There you have it, a simple but fun version of Jenny's Splendid Ice Cream Tote Set, made from recycled and easily available materials. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!